Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new, welcome, and if you are not, welcome back. Guys, today in this video we will be talking about my latest pickup for content creation, something that I've been having my eye on for a while, but this video will have the review of it, my first thoughts, my first impressions, and the unboxing and some test footage. So without further ado, let's introduce my newest member of my tech family. Guys, here it is, my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and I got the creator combo, and here are my thoughts about it. I'm going to give you basically what the pros and cons of it, with the features that it has that comes with it, some good reviews, some bad reviews. Again, you will see the unboxing, and in the end of this video you will see some footage inserted of me testing it out and testing the mic. So here it is, guys, in all its glory. Look how cute and small it is. So the Pocket 3 Creator Combo is the latest offering in the DJI's line of portable gimbal cameras. It is known for its compact size, advanced features, and the ease of use. And so I had to get one because I really loved the quality of the content that people were able to capture with it. And I love that it's the compact size. So if you are a content creator, you know that sometimes it can get a hassle to have to go out, record, do things with big camera and big gear when this is just pocket size, and it makes it very easy for you to record content outward. So with this device, you are able to get high quality videos and photos that is easy to use for beginners and perfect for professionals, all in this small and minute compact size, and I really love that. So for some of the features, you get 4K video recording. So the camera is capable of recording 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, delivering crisp and detailed footage. You also get the 3-axis gimbal. The integrated gimbal provides excellent stabilization, ensuring smooth and professional looking video. The Active Track 4.0, this feature allows the camera to automatically follow a subject, keeping it in the frame even when moving. I've tested it out, and that is so true. It follows literally everywhere you go, and I love that. So for the HDR video, you are able to get high dynamic range video recording that enhances the detail and color accuracy in high contrast scenes. You also have the slow motion feature, where you are able to capture slow motion footage at 1080p resolution and 120 frames per second, ideal for action shots. You also get the time-lapse in the motion-lapse feature, and that creates stunning time-lapse videos with the added benefit of gimbal stabilization. In the panorama mode, you can take wide-angle shots with ease using the built-in panorama function. You also get, which is my favorite part, the wireless microphone. So the included wireless microphone ensures clear audio recording, which is essential for vloggers and content creators. And oh my gosh, guys, you will see how clear the sound quality is, and you will see why there is such a big rave around the mics. Okay, so you also get the external control wheel. This accessory allows for precise control over gimbal movements, enhancing the flexibility of the device. You also get a small tripod. So the small portable tripod is included, providing stable support for static shots and long exposure photography. So in terms of performance, the DJI Pocket 3 excels across various functions. The stabilization gimbal, you are able to take dynamic shots even when you're walking, and so it provides perfect stabilization for you. As far as stabilization, the 3-axis gimbal stabilization provides the perfect stabilization for you to take the best action shots even when you're walking or through different motion things, action shots. The stabilization is perfect because it keeps your shot in focus and stable, and you're not getting a lot of moving around. The 4K quality is very impressive. It gives you sharp detail, vibrant colors, and very great low light performance. That's another thing that I was looking for when I wanted to purchase this, and it definitely delivers in what it says that it's going to do. Another thing that I liked, besides the very high quality microphone, is that the battery life is very good. So you're able to get 140 minutes of full continuous shooting, and that is a full charge. And so the attachment that they also provide you is with an external battery that you can plug in, and it gives you a little extra boost. But even if you have to charge it, you can get a full charge in under 30 minutes. How amazing is that? With the included accessories such as the control wheel and the tripod, they are easy to attach and use, enhancing your overall shooting experience. And with the DJI Memo app, available for both iOS and Android, it provides additional functionality and control over the camera, including like live view, editing tools, and advanced settings. Again, for the positive points, it is compact and portable. You get high quality 4K footage, versatile features, useful accessories, and it is user friendly. Even for beginners, I think this is a good camera to go ahead and get because it is user friendly. The screen, the interface, all of that functionality is very easy for a beginner to catch on and to use and create high quality content. So for the negative views, some say the limited zoom feature is not the best, and so that's something to keep in mind. Also, the screen size is this small screen right here, and so if that's not something that you're looking for, that may be kind of as a negative for you. And lastly, another negative downside is the price. It is quite expensive, but I feel like for everything that you get, even with the mic and all the stuff that you get with the creator combo, it's worth it. In the long run, I think that you would definitely not regret the decision, but that is something to look at when people are looking for budget friendly things. This may be on the higher end of the budget, but again, if you don't mind, I think this is a perfect pickup. Again, the selling point for me was that I was able to get something very compact to take outdoors with me when I'm trying to create content. Again, content creators know that if you're out and you don't want to lug around big equipment, big cameras, big lenses that are hard to fit on some tripods in the car, this is perfect for me to be discreet, to get the content I need at great quality, and I don't really have to worry about being so noticeable. So that was the biggest selling point for me personally, but I know of filmmakers and other people who use this rave about it all the time. So guys, those are my first thoughts, my first impressions, and my unboxing. At the end of me speaking, you will see footage that I inserted that shows you the quality and the quality of the mic. And so stay tuned for that. You don't want to miss it. Again, drop a comment below if there's something that you would think about getting, if there's something that you've been eyeing. If you have it, what are your thoughts, pros, cons? I would love to hear below. And so if you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing because I would love to have you part of the family to join for more cooking content, review content. And so tell a friend, share with a friend. I would really appreciate it. I will see you guys on my next video. But until then, be blessed. Bye. Good morning, guys. Today I will be showing you basically the sound quality of the DJI and the quality that I get when I go outdoors and I go to stores, shopping, doing things around my city. I will be able to show you the content and the quality of this DJI, okay, Pocket 3. So you're going to see. Now, I'm talking to you right now. I don't have the mic on. So we're going to go ahead and test the mic out so you can hear the sound quality of it. 1 second. Okay, guys. So now you hear me with the mic. How does it sound? Does it sound a lot better? I don't know. These are said to be top of the line mics. And so I'm testing out the sound quality. You get to hear me with the mic now that it's turned on opposed to when it was turned off. Okay, so when I had this mic, much more clearer audio. I love how crisp it sounds. I love that it's doing this thing. Also, let's see if I can clip it to hear how good the sound is. Okay, now that it's clipped to my dress, we're able to hear how it sounds. I know it sounds the best when it's close up to your mouth, but when you're out and you're doing things, you're talking, you don't have time to be holding it all the time. So this is how it sounds when it's clipped to my shirt or dress. What do you guys think? Okay, so in the next clips, you will see how it looks good video-wise, quality-wise. I'm going to go to the store. I'm going to go to Target, run some errands, and then take my kids to the library. So you'll be able to see how good it looks when I'm outdoors. All right, so stay tuned.